everyone out there, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I'm going to take you with me while I clean our apartment. My plan today is to really do a bit more of like a deep cleaning in our apartment. As a lot of you guys know, Sean and I live in a very tiny studio apartment, so it's not a very huge space. It won't take me long to clean everything, but I do want to kind of get in there and clean areas that don't always get as much attention. I generally keep my cleaning products to a minimum. I don't use a whole bunch. I really just have two here that I'm going to be using. And the first one that I've used for a very long time now is Salsuds, which is a biodegradable cleaner by Dr. Bronner's. So really great, really versatile, can be used on a variety of different surfaces, obviously very non-toxic, safe to use in terms of the ingredients that are in here. And a little goes a long way. Now, sometimes I go a little overboard and I just like squirt it all over the place, but you don't really need to use a whole ton of it, so that's what I like about it too. And the second cleaner that I have here that I'm going to be using is this one here by 7th Generation, and it's their all-purpose cleaner. And then I have also a couple different cloths. I have a microfiber cloth here that I'll use for wiping down some glass, and then I've got my bamboo reusable washable cloths here. These are actually very absorbent. I do have paper towel that I will sometimes use, but I'll see if I can get away with doing some just strictly reusable material today. So these ones can just go into the laundry once I'm done with them. I hope this video gives you some motivation to do some cleaning, and let's get started. say how well this thing works. We just got this as a gift. Sean's sister gave it to us as a gift. I was really excited to use it today in the bathtub because it's like a pain in the ass to get on your hands and knees and like scrub the bathtub floor or the walls. I have this like bristly one that I've been using, but this thing is so handy. It had like, you can extend it and it really allows you to like, you can just stand here, just clean the walls. The brand is Veleda. Works well. I like it.